Hello and welcome to my video all about how to make a spooky scene in a jar. This is a simple project and very quick to make. To start with, you'll need a glass jar, some white tissue paper, some PVA glue, a cheap paintbrush, and some kind of plastic pot. I put some of the glue in the pot and also ripped the tissue paper into pieces. We'll now decoupage the jar. So first apply a thin layer of PVA glue to part of the jar, then add a piece of tissue paper on top, and then add more glue on top of that. Repeat this process until you've covered the jar. You then need to create a shadow for the jar. I'm using a paper template which I'll link to in the description box below. Note that you'll need the length of the scene to be the same as the circumference of the inside of the jar. You can always trim it down, so I'd recommend making it slightly longer than you think. I find it best to cut out the main shape with scissors first, then cut out the smaller details with a craft knife. Carefully use a glue stick on the front of the scene, then attach it inside the jar. Place a tea light inside and that's it, you've completed your project. And here you can see it at night. I really hope you like this project and thank you very much for watching.